Hello, this is Justin Tribino from DragonBlogger.com, and I'm here showing off the iMCO X1S waterproof fitness tracker, which is also a Fitband or a smartwatch, except this one is completely waterproof in the fact that swimmers can use it. You could use it in a pool, you could use it swimming in a lake or whatever. So I'm currently using the heart monitor on this one, and I'm not sure if that brightness is going to show up very well or not. It's reading my heartbeat in real time. It is like other fitness trackers. It can show the caller ID, SMS, it tracks your steps, it tracks your activities, it tracks your sleep. It works very well. It's very comfortable. It has a large display interface. Now, like a lot of fitness trackers, if you're out in the sun will dim the interface and make it a bit hard to read. You can have the watch screen be vertical or horizontal, which I like. Like other fitness trackers that don't have GPS built into the watch, if I swing my arm up and down quite a bit, I can throw off the step tracker. And that's something that in the course of your day, if you're animated, you move your arms a lot, typically step trackers, unless they have built-in GPS, will include arm swings with your steps, and so it could throw them off a little bit. So it does have that same limitation, but the fact that it's waterproof, it's in line with other fitness trackers. And at $19.99, it really is a fantastic large screen fitness tracker that you can wear, keep track of your steps, keep track of active heartbeat monitoring, keep track of your sleep. So for $20, you can't go wrong having a fitness tracker that you wear and just get a general feel of how you're doing during the day. Are you taking enough steps? Are you active enough? And things like that. So again, this is the Coband X1S fitness tracker. Definitely gets a thumbs up, and I've done and reviewed other Coband watches, and they're all pretty much the same. I really like that you could just take the watch out of the band and plug it into your USB to charge it. That's actually a really, really great feature of the Coband watch here. You could just pop it out and then pop it into the USB port and then charge the watch without issue. I also like watch wristbands that have traditional styles where you got the loop here in the teeth and it goes through. I don't like the ones that just have a snap on. They tend to come off easily, and so this one is appreciated, and it fits all size wrists. My son has really small wrists and he wants a fitness tracker, so naturally the ones that have snaps are always too loose for him, so this will allow me to adjust it to fit his wrist as well. Again, the iMCO Coband X1S waterproof fitness tracker gets a thumbs up from Dragon Blogger. Thank you for watching.